Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also hit the bell so you can be notified of more videos I'll be putting out every week. In today's tutorial, we're going to be working with this brand new palette that I just got with brown and bronze, silver, and blues. I was a little skeptical of these colors together, but I really like the way that it turned out. So to get started, I'm going to come in with my fluffy crease brush and grab this light brown in the color Arrogant. We're going to put that right above the crease and back and forth windshield wiper motions, blending it in. And now I'm going to grab my crease brush and get this dark navy in the color Triumphant, and we're going to just put that along the outer corner and up into the crease, just blending it as we go. And then I wiped off that same crease brush, and I'm going to come in and get the lighter blue in the color Cheerful, and we're going to just put that on the inner corner, sweeping it up into the crease, blending it into the darker blue as well. But also being careful to leave the center area open. We're just getting up into the crease, and on the inner and outer corners we're going to be creating a halo effect, so we want to leave that area open. Now I'm grabbing my cream shadow brush or a flat brush, and I've gotten it wet, and we're going to grab the silver shimmer in the Honest, and we're going to be pressing it in on the center there where we've left it clear of any eyeshadow, and we're just going to sweep that up into the crease, just keeping it right into the center, and we'll be creating that beautiful halo effect. And then I'm going to come in with this light shimmer in the color Tender, and we're going to just put that right in the very center, just straight in a straight line right there. And that'll just really brighten the whole thing up. And I'm going to grab that same shade again, and we're going to put that up below the brow bone. And then on the inner corner as well. And then sweeping it down underneath the lower lash line. And now I want to get Cheerful again with that crease brush. And we're going to put that on the outer half underneath the lash line as well, sweeping it up and blending it into that dark navy up above. And now I'm going to start on the other side. And then this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.